Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
An active economic calendar this week will offer a look at key data on growth, inflation, and employment. The releases vary in market impact, but each may provide valuable insight for trading strategies. The effects of these data releases could ripple through the markets. Keeping a strategic outlook and being prepared to adjust positions is essential.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Porsche swung to a bigger-than-expected operating loss in the third quarter, plunging the German sports car maker deeper into crisis as it slows a shift to electric vehicles and battles to stem sinking sales in top market China. Gold prices pared losses on Friday after slightly softer than expected US inflation data reinforced expectations that the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates next week, but the metal was still set for its first weekly loss in 10 weeks. Oil prices fell on Friday as skepticism crept into the market about the Trump administration's commitment to sanctions on Russia's two biggest oil companies over the war in Ukraine.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The dollar got a slight bump of 0.1% against the yen in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 1.6% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar pair skyrocketed 2.0% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.